Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to refer a friend on Remitly. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly application on your device and log into your account using your email address and your password if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to invite any of your friends, then you can click on the rewards option at the bottom right and you will see the invite now button. You can click on this and you will be given your referral link, which you can share using WhatsApp, your email, or your messages, or you can also copy the code and send it manually to your friend. You can also click on the QR code option and you will be given a QR code that individuals that you invite can scan in order to enter your referral code automatically. You can also click on Manage at the bottom right corner and you will find the Refer Friends option here as well. You can click on this and you will get your referral link once again. You can click on the More option to see more options to share your referral link. And now you can send this link to anyone that you wish to invite on Remitly. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to refer a friend on Remitly. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.